How do you like your tuna cooked?
Well, that is the key. So, do you like it? Well, most people eat it rare. Very rare. What do you like?
I like medium rare.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
I mean, I want it to be pink on the inside, but I just don't want it to be like raw pink. Definitely not well done.
No. And when you're cooking it, you can see it cooking from the side up. And so you want to flip it. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take long.
I would say 3 minutes on each side.
Yeah, 3 minutes on each side. And I had a friend, he had the people that drove around and they sell meat off the back of their truck. You know what I'm talking about?
Like a meat truck?
Yeah, like a meat truck. You know what I mean? They have like little freezers
a delivery
in the back.
service.
Kind of. It's like, hey, I got this really good deal and I'll cut you a deal right now, but you have to buy 15 pounds of meat. We got ribeyes and steaks and chicken and all this for one low price. Those kinds of people.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Just shut up and get to it. I can see right through it.
I want to know where you're going.
I'm going with, he had bought frozen tuna. And he bought a big box of it. And he would take it and put it on the grill, just frozen, as a block. And then he would cook it. And he did a pretty good job. It's a little too rare for me, but
I feel like your dad does that.
Yeah, my dad is famous for that. He likes his bloody rare.